This problem asks us to find the equation of the exponential function and then sketch the graph. So if it's an exponential function, we know it grows by multiplication, and we can tell that it's not a constant growth because 192 to 48 is a different difference than 48 to 12. So if we're trying to find the growth and we know it's multiplying, we can simply look at two consecutive terms. So if we choose to look at 48 to 12, 48 times some number, if we don't know the number, we usually use a letter, is going to equal 12 to get us from one term to the next. So to isolate b, we divide by 48, and b is going to equal 0.25 if we type that in the calculator. That's the same as a fraction of 1/4. Either way is fine. I typically like using fractions, so to write our equation, we do y equals, our initial value is our zero term, 192, times 1/4 is our multiplier, since we are decaying, raised to the x power since it's an exponential. To quickly sketch our graph, we look at our initial value of 192, and we're going to decay. Our next value is going to be at 48. I'm just going to estimate our next value at 12, and then 3, and it should decay very quickly because it's an exponential curve. Remember, we have an asymptote at 0 because if we keep dividing by 4 or multiplying by 1/4, we will never actually reach 0.